In this video, I'll show you how to block a website on Google Chrome Mobile. Open the Google Chrome browser on your mobile device. Tap on the three dots in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll and select Site Settings. Scroll down to the Content section and tap on JavaScript. Make sure JavaScript is enabled. It usually is by default. Tap on Add Site Exception. Enter the website URL you want to block in the format www.sitename.com. If a site uses a mobile-optimized version, like m.site.com, then add m.sitename.com. Close the Chrome browser completely. Reopen Chrome and ensure that the website is not already open in a tab. Try visiting the blocked website. It should now be inaccessible.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.